Hi, I'm Rhonda McPherron, the Assistive Technology Specialist here at On My Own in Nevada, Missouri. I wanted to share with you some tools that would be helpful if you have low vision. If you've ever written a note or a phone number and then you can't see what you have written, it's very frustrating. One of the things to help with that would be a 20/20 pen and the 20/20 paper. It writes dark and bold and it doesn't bleed through the paper. Also, another helpful tip would be, here's a regular size calendar and there's hardly any room there to be able to write a note or an appointment for a doctor's visit. Here is a low vision calendar, which is 3 times the size as the regular calendar. Easier to read and easier to see. If you're interested in any low vision tools, give me a call at 1-800-362-8852. Thanks so much and have a great day.